Welcome back. Today I will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve this stunning holiday look that's festive and guaranteed to get you compliments. Let's begin. First, we're going to prep the skin. A hydrated base ensures that your makeup lasts all night and looks flawless. We're going for a matte look, so we want to use primer that hydrates the skin. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. It contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide that smooths and plump the skin. For a holiday glam look, we want a long-lasting, full coverage base with a radiant finish. First, we're going to do a little underpainting, evening out the skin with concealer, using the Lancome All Over Concealer to spot correct in the shade 470. Then apply shade 435 under the eyes and on the eyelids and blend. Then I used the Hourglass, Dune and Flax concealer to brighten the center of the face and blend. We're doing highlighting before foundation. Using Nars Laguna Bronzer in shade 5 to add warmth to the face. And define the nose. Going back in with the highlighting concealer on the forehead and down the bridge of the nose and blend. We want to keep the center of the face 1 to 2 shades brighter than our foundation shade. Now we're going to apply a small amount of foundation using the One Size Turn Up the Base Full Beat Foundation in the shade 40G and the One Size Infinity Sponge to apply the foundation. I love this foundation. It's full coverage, waterproof, and it blurs and smooth pores. When you underpaint, you don't need to use a lot of foundation and it creates a smooth highlight and contour that's undetectable. For blush, a rosy pink or berry tone blush is perfect for that festive flush. Using Huda Beauty blush filter in shade Watermelon Pop, apply to the high points of your cheeks and blend outwards into the temples. Ensure that it's blended properly. Moving on to brows, defining the brows with Benefit Brow Wax in shade 4.5. And brow pencil in shade 4 to shade in the sparse areas. Then use MAC angled brush with concealer to highlight the brow bone. And set the brow bone with translucent powder. Using translucent powder to set the T-zone and press powder everywhere else. hydrating the skin again. This helps to blend and melt the makeup into the skin. Now the showstopper, glittery festive eyes. Using MAC Soft Ochre to prime the eyelid and blend it out. Then I applied MAC Rule eyeshadow in the crease with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is a transition shade. It helps the other colors that we will be applying to blend seamlessly in each other. Next, I used MAC Embark eyeshadow to add depth to the outer section of the eye, patting in the color at the outer section of the eye up into the crease and blend. Then take a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out the edges and flick it up and outwards for a lifted look. Next, using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply this silver shade to the inner third of the eyelid. Then use the same eyeshadow brush that we used to apply the darker shade eyeshadow to blend the two shades where they meet for a cohesive look. Lining the eyes using Wet n Wild eyeliner. And setting it with a black eyeshadow using a small angled brush. This will ensure that the eyeliner stays in place, prevent it from smudging and fading. Next, I line the lower lash line using MAC Feline eyeliner and smudge it out using the same Embark eyeshadow. Coat lashes with mascara. Add false lashes for extra volume. And coat lower lashes with mascara again. Going around the perimeter of the face with powder bronzer. And using Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch in the shade Banana to brighten the under eye. Next, I use Patmcgrath Labs Paradise Venus blush. This is a deep, warm terracotta shade that is not too bright and complements the eyes perfectly. Doing reverse contouring under the cheekbone using translucent powder to enhance it. For the lips, we're going to do a soft pinkish nude lip to complement the eyes. Using MAC Cork lip liner. This is a cool tone lip liner to line the lips and complete it with MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. And Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Fussy. Toning down the Patmcgrath blush with MAC Peaches blush. This is a lighter shade blush. Using MAC Oh Darling, one of my favorite powder highlighters, to add a subtle glow to the cheeks, forehead, and the bridge of the nose. Hydrating the face again before we set it. Locking the makeup in place with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. The eyelid smudge. This happens when you hold the setting spray too close to your face. To fix it, spray your flat eyeshadow brush with setting spray before dipping it into the shimmery eyeshadow to prevent fallout. And that's it. You're ready to shine this holiday season with this gorgeous glam look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some new tips along the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.